What's better than a triple layer cake or a hot fudge sundae? A beautifully renovated one-bedroom home in a stunning pre-war co-op. And so much less calories, too.
Come join us to tour this special apartment, and no need to bring your renovation budget. This space is move-in ready.
This is such great space. I love this open kitchen.
Agreed. When you're in the kitchen, you're still part of the party.
I love this huge window in this top-of-the-line kitchen, stainless appliances, huge amount of cabinetry, and honed granite counters.
But my favorite is the combo washer-dryer.
This homeowner was able to take advantage of this oversized living room to create a second sleeping area. Or
a great space for a home office, too. Don't you just love a bedroom big enough for a sitting area?
and large enough for 2 closets, all outfitted. 590 West End Avenue is a full-service cooperative with a 24-hour doorman, live-in super, and has storage, bike, and laundry rooms.
Just outside your door, it's 1 block to Broadway, where you're surrounded by Trader Joe's, Key Food, Dagon Restaurant, By the Way Bakery, Whole Foods, and Granola Bar.
Don't forget, Riverside Park is 1 block away and just a few more blocks to Central Park.
We'd love to show you this special home.
At 590 West End Avenue, Apartment 8E. Give us a call or send us an email. I'm Andrew Phillips.
I'm Amelia Gewertz.
And we're at Brown Harris Stevens.